Hi, welcome to the Life Code YouTube channel. Today I'm going to cook Sunday's special chicken biryani. First I'm going to add some red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, chicken masala powder, a little bit of Kashmiri chili powder, pepper powder, biryani masala powder, ginger garlic paste, salt, lemon juice, fried onions, coriander leaves, and a little bit of ghee. Mix everything with chicken. Then add some coconut oil and curd to the mixture. Mix it well. Leave it for 1 hour to marinate. Now we are going to prepare the rice. Boil some water and add some raw garam masala, a little bit of coconut oil and salt. Let it boil well. After that add basmati rice to boil water and mix it. Leave it to cook. Now little by little, add cooked rice on top of marinated chicken mix. Add a little bit of food coloring, fried onions, and ghee on top of rice. Make sure to seal the pot well. Leave it on low flame for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes of the flame. Now we are all done. Enjoy your Sunday special chicken biryani. Don't forget to subscribe Life Code YouTube channel. Thank you.